What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage today. Figured we'd take you along for today's ride. Today what we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you guys, we got a Yfz450r engine here, all torn apart already. We had some damage in this engine. Show you guys right here. This is first gear, and that is a tooth missing off first gear. We got the cases right here, and we have a nice new transmission from B&R Motorsports from here, so huge thank you to them. All right, guys, welcome back to a late night. It's actually not that late. It's like 7:30, but it's dark out. Garage video. Me and Mark. Say hi, Mark. You guys saw a while back Mark blew his engine. We did rebuild it. It's been sitting here for quite a while because Mark has been lazy, but he finally took out the stock engine he had in here, and I told him tonight might as well bring it over, get this thing done. We're gonna throw the engine in, try to get her fired up. We don't have too much to do. We do have to just we're gonna throw in a stock clutch for now until Mark gets his new wreck loose sorted out, and that's pretty much it. Should be pretty quick. And I think what we'll do, just to make this super easy, we'll put this on time lapse, and then when we're ready to fire her up, we'll go back to real time and fingers crossed get this girl running again. Race engine in going in that, so let's go.
got this done probably an hour and a half, maybe just shy of an hour and a half. We got these things pretty much dialed in. We've changed some of the friggin' Yamaha engines. It's like a NASCAR pit crew over here. So we got all the fluids in. First start on this, guys. So we're gonna put you back in the tripod. And I guess we'll let Marc do the honors and try firing it. Marc? Yeah, leave it off now. If it does start, we'll oh baby! Oh, pull the choke, Marky Mark. Is it pulled? Woo! High five! He's alive! Until the fan, oh, you're probably gonna have to keep it choked for a minute. Let it run till the fan kicks on. Go out here so you guys can hear me. So we're just gonna let it run and heat up until the fan kicks on, and then we'll shut it down, check the oil, let it cool down for a little bit, and then we'll do another heat cycle. All right, guys, the fan did come on, so Marc does not have to break this engine in because the top end was from the old quad. It had about 7 hours on it, so basically it's good to go. We're just topping off the oil. When it's fully cool, he can double check the coolant, but I think the coolant is good. That is a wrap for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video on this engine build back in the machine. Marc's, is this the race quad for next year, or what are you doing? Yeah, all right. He's got to do a little cleaning to it because it's a little dirty. Yeah. Like that right there is dirty. That's dirty. That's dirty. That's dirty. Dirty down there. Tire's dirty. So he's got some work to do cleaning it.
Oh, he has practice wheels.
Oh, practice wheels. Excuse me. Here is everything we swapped out. We did main bearings, and then we did a brand new transmission. If you guys did catch that video where I rebuilt the engine, and to find out what was wrong with it, you can see right here. This was first gear, right? First gear on the main shaft. Yeah, so that's a tooth missing right there, and he got super lucky on this one. It was right after a race. He heard a funny noise, almost like the flywheel bolts or clutch issue. We did pull both side cases, and everything looked good. And then we were able to isolate the noise in the transmission by spinning both the shafts, and we could feel that missing tooth. So it definitely could have been a lot worse. It did bend. The shift shaft did get bent, so we did change that as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. So brand new transmission, brand new main bearings, gaskets, all that stuff, and she's good to go. So like always, guys, make sure you give this a thumbs up. That helps a lot. Drop some comments, and if you're not yet, please subscribe. Any last words, Marc?
Thanks, John.
No problem, Marc. We're going to ride soon. Maybe next week we can ride. Moto days. We still got some time for moto days. Maybe Buttonwoods or something. Oh, yeah, that's right. Thanksgiving Day ride. That's coming up. So we'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.